ஓங்கி உலகளந்த உத்தமன் பேர்பாடி நாங்கள் நம்பாவைக்கு சாற்று நீராடினால் தீங்கின்னி நாடெல்லாம் திங்கள் மும்மாரி பயது ஓங்கு பெரும் சென்னல் ஊடு கயல் உகள பூங்குவளைப் போதில் பொறிவண்டு கண்படுப்ப தேங்காதே புக்கிருந்து சீர்த்த முலை பற்றி வாங்க குடம் நிறைக்கும் வள்ளல் பெரும் பசுக்கள் நீங்காத செல்வம் நிறைந்தேலோர் எம்பாவாய். In this third pasuram, Andal describes the amount of prosperity that Aipadi Gokulam has attained upon receiving Krishna as one of its most prominent, very proud and responsible citizen. She tells, who is the one whom we are singing? She asks her friends. Ongi Ulagalanda Uttaman. He is the one who once measured the worlds. So we say that in Yajnam, whenever a person talks in any other language besides Sanskritam or Vaidika Bhasha, to do the Prayaschittam, he has to recite the mantram which goes like Trini Padani Vichakrame Treda Nidadhe Padam. So this is the mantram where Vedas proclaim the measuring of the worlds of the Lord as Vamana and Trivikramamurti. So you can see the Lord housed in Tirukkovalur near Viluppuram in Tamil Nadu. You can see the same Lord as Tadalan in Kalichirama Vinnagaram, which is a small hamlet called Shirgali. You can also see the Lord as Ulagalanda Perumal in Kanchipuram. You can see the same Lord who is housed in beautiful panels of the Chalukyan, the Pallavan and other dynasties. So he is the one who measured the worlds. Ongi Ulagu Alanda, the one who measured. Who is he? Andal gives him a name. Uttaman, the best one, the purest one. Why is he the best one? Because Shastram tells that there are three tattvams. Achit, Chit, Ishvara. Sentient, insentient and the one who controls, who is Paramatma, Ishvara. So, if one is different from Achetanam, he is Purusha. If he is different from Baddhatma, the bonded Atmas, he is Utpurusha. If he is different from the Muktatmas, he is Uttara Purusha. If he is different from Nityasuris, who are the permanent residents of Sri Vaikuntham, he is Uttama Purusha. Uttama Purusha is Purushottama. The shortened form is Uttama. So Andal tells, Ongi Ulagalanda Uttaman Perpadi. We may not be even able to see him. He has pervaded that space. All we can do is sing the praises of his name. Ongi Ulagalanda Uttaman Perpadi Nangal Nampavaikku Saatru Neeradinal. So what are we doing? Nampavaikku, for this particular vow, Saatru Neeradinal. If we take bath by thinking of our fathers, Vedic fathers who have recited Aghamarshana Suktam, Saatru Neeradinal, Thingu Indri Nadellam Tingal Mummari Payadu. So as she continues, she tells what will happen if we observe the vow. It is only not for our benefit, but for the benefit of the country. How does a country prosper? Only if there is very rich flora and fauna. For the flora and fauna and the foliage to survive, what does it need? It needs water. Where will earth get water from? It will get from the clouds. What is the process? It is precipitation. What is it? Rainfall. When will we get rainfall? Only when we do our duties, right? Thingu Indri Nadellam Tingal Mummari Payadu. She tells there should be no dedicated month called monsoon. If we are respecting nature, nature will give it back to us. How? In a month of 30 days, the first set of 9 days is where we will have the scorching rays of the sun heating up the earth. The 10th day, there will be rainfall to cool earth. Again, from the 11th day to the 19th day, there will be immense heat. 20th day, there will be rainfall. So if we are respecting nature and nature gives it as a reciprocation to us, there should be rainfall thrice a month at intermittent periods. Thingindri Nadellam Tingal Mummari Payadu. Thingindri. She tells there should be rainfall, but it should not be to the extent where houses get submerged. Where temples get submerged. No, we should enjoy rainfall. We should make nice pakodas and we should be sitting in our balcony and it should be raining outside and we should be enjoying nature. Thingindri nadellam tingal mummari payadu. Now he has to describe the prosperity. While she describes the prosperity, she tells the fields of Aipadi are filled with crops. Now, since they are all water soaked, if we look at the bottom, there are big fishes. Kayal is a fish variety that tries to swim within the thick crops that have grown. So it talks about the prosperity. Ong perum shennal Udu Kayal Uhala. Udu Kayal means the Kayal fish is trying to swim as much as possible. Punguvalai podil porivandu kanpaduppa. Now at the top of these crops, there are beautiful grains and small flowers. And from the flowers, to absorb that nectar and make honey, the honey bees are hovering around. Punguvalai podil porivandu kanpaduppa. Vedanta Deshika mimics this in Tattvamukta Kalapam. He tells Lakshmi Netrotpala Shrihi Sadada Parichaya Desha Sambadhyamanaha Nabhi Nali Karinkan Madhukara Patali Dattahastavalambaha Madhu Patali, he tells. So he has borrowed this from Andal, who tells Porivandu Kanpaduppa Tengade Pukirundu Shirtha Mulai Patri Vanga. Now she comes back to the cows. The cows will have to give us milk, but it is not from a mechanical process where we insert machines into her nipples and even without letting her feed her children, her calves, we take that milk. No, the calves will have to be fed first. After the calves have fed the mother, from the mother cow, whatever is left, we can consume. So once that milk starts coming into our pots, even after we have just pressed the nipple of that particular cow once and looked left, even before we turn our head back, the pot will be filled, it seems, because the cow is so happy that we are getting the milk from her by feeding her calf first and then we are consuming. So the mother cow is so benevolent that she gives us more than what we require. So even before the other pot could be brought, this pot A gets filled. Vanga kudam niraikum vallal perum pashukal. These cows are prosperous cows. Ningada shelvam. For those who think of this pasuram and for those who are devoted to Andal and who are listening to this pasuram, Ningada shelvam. Whatever wealth legitimately, sincerely you have acquired, Andal will bless. That wealth will never disappear or will never get lost. Ningada shelvam niraindelo rembavai is the essence of Pasuram 3.
உத்தமன் பேர் பாடி போகி உலகளந்த உத்தமன் பேர் பாடி நாங்கள் நம் பாவைக்கு சாற்றி நீராடினான். நாங்கள் நம் பாவைக்கு சாற்றி நீராடினான். தீங்கின்றி நாடெல்லாம் திங்கள் மாறி பெய்து தீங்கின்றி நாடெல்லாம் திங்கள் மாறி பெய்து போக பேரும் சென்னல் ஊடுகையலுகள போக பேரும் சென்னல் ஊடுகையலுகள பூங்குமலை போதில் பொறிவண்டு கண்படுப்ப பூங்குமலை போதில் பொறிவண்டு கண்படுப்ப தேங்காதே புக்கிருந்து சீதமூலை பற்றி தேங்காதே புக்கிருந்து சீதமூலை பற்றி மக குடம் நிறைக்கும் வள்ளல் பெரும் பசுக்கள் மக குடம் நிறைக்கும் வள்ளல் பெரும் பசுக்கள் நீங்காத செல்வம்